Alright guys, today I'm going to be putting on the Harbor Freight quick attach, 3-point quick attach. I bought it for 99 bucks. Just got it unpackaged and took off my rotary cutter. I'm going to be installing it. Looks pretty straightforward. I bought the bushings at Rural King. They had the bushings for I think 16 bucks, so I think it's about half the price of the John Deere. And they wanted $400 for their eye-matched quick attach. So 100 bucks plus 16, I'm at 116, and that would have been like almost 450, 400, 450 to put theirs on. So we'll see if this works for now. And yeah, let's get installing. So here is the 3-point quick attach. We're just going to pop these pins here out and get it lined up. And this is here is what your top link hooks onto. Alright, so we got that in. I'm going to take it off the hook here. That. And get it on that. That one now it's just resting on these arms. You want to put the flat to the outside back here. Like that. Put your pin in. Come over here. Pick this one up. Like that, and there you go. That took all of what, 30 seconds, and most of it was because I got caught on this hook here on the top link. So there we go. It's all hooked up. Saved me about 300 bucks in 30 seconds. So I got this hook adjusted. I put it in the very bottom hole. If I put it in the very bottom hole, it'll catch this bottom one and still be in the top hole here.